Good morning, everyone. My name is Ho Wen Hao, and I represent Uni Champo Group. Today, we are going to present a system called Signal Next. Signal Next, from scratch client signal to the best next action. It's a system that help advisor understand which client need attention, which action need to be taken, and how to follow up in a more organized and completed way. So now the problem statement in the real world of the advisor work, the main issue is not the information does not exist. The main issue is about the information is fragment. So advisor may know the client, but they don't know how to see the full action picture at the right time. This may lead to missed opportunity, delay follow-up, and avoidable risks. So to cover this problem, we have produced the Signal Next. In our Signal Next, provide a morning command briefing, client prioritize, action planning, client profile, partner reference, and governance checks. This help advisor to know what to focus, what to do next, and how to act safely. So now I will pass to my teammate to make the demonstration of the system.
Today with Unichampo, we're going to present on our idea, which is Signal Next. So our core idea is very simple. Every advisor deserves an assistant. So we're just going to log in and see what we have built. So this is the home page, and this would be the advisor's morning command center. At the top, we can see that Alex is logged in and connected to our database. And the first thing the advisor sees is the business context, like manage premium, pipeline value, and the block risk. And the block risk is also called guardrails. Guardrails represents consent issues like high risk actions, block messages, or anything sensitive data that needs the advisor to proceed with caution. And so the system is not just helping advisors to move forward, it's also keeping the workflow under control. And down here would be the morning command brief. And it's basically a human assistant might prepare before the day starts. It tells the advisor who needs attention first, why that is a prioritization, and what action should happen next. And we also have voice briefing designed to make the system feel like an assistant, gives advisors a quick summary before they start contacting clients. So onto down here, it will display today's agenda, which would be a feature that would sync with calendars and show what the advisor has throughout the day and have a clean timeline. Onto the right side, it would be our this week care moments card. Is where the system behaves like an assistant. It scans through the client book and highlights small but important moments like birthday events or follow-ups that needed. These are the moments that human assistant usually help advisors remember. Our system makes sure every advisor catches them and without missing any compliances. So moving forward, this would be our clients page. And this is the page where the advisor understands the selected client in context. The system shows relationship priority about the client's memory, timeline, needs, preference, interest, and etc., which is all about those little details in those clients that advisors often only memorize in their memory. And this system tries to bring those details into one systematic flow before sending a message or making a recommendation. If the client is consent, it would be consent lock. The system would mask any private information about the client. So let's walk through it. As you can see here, Mr. Tan is valued at 97 score. We would have relationship priority sorting system, which would prioritize by looking at the policy values and the plans with the company, with the client. Not only that, we have our care moment section, which the system would analyze the client's data with their history, with their birthdays or whatnot. And for example, here it shows that the client's birthday is today, and it suggests that we would message and gift him something for a suggestion, which also prioritizes as a high task to do. And it also does prioritize the other stuff that it has to do today. And onto the next side, it would be our calendar intelligence. It would be a nice quick glance on what to do, and also the personalized suggestions, again, to show that the AI suggests what to do next for the clients. And also to the right side, it will be the guardrail. So onto our action workspace page. So we already have a profile on what the client is. So the next step is to have a feature that we could suggest messages to him. So as you can see here, we are still with Mr. Dan, and he has a birthday today. So the system can generate a message, and we will send it to his message. So we will try that out. So let's try it out. So as you can see, it has generated a text that say wishes him happy birthday and all. And it also gives a summary on how it is shaped with the text. So with carrying with subtle product hook, with being engineered with his personality and all through the system, and we will try it out. And we try and approve and send through the message. And as you can see inside here, it is sent through our system and with the text here already. Next is our partner operating hub. So the system scans verified client profiles and matches them with the right specialist stats, such as tax, SME risk, medical underwriting, etc. Each opportunity shows the client and matches reason, estimate value, and the referral button. Once referral, it enters the referral pipeline with evidence, checklist, and escalation so the partner handoffs stays very trackable and governed through the system. And as you can see here. And also finally, this is our adaptive learning loop page. Instead of showing generic training videos, the system detects knowledge gaps between the advisors and recent notes. It recommends the most relevant courses and explain why it matters, and it tracks the progress of the advisor and uses knowledge gate quizzes and before making the module complete. And as you can see here, we can start on courses and tracks the progress, and even so with the history. So let's try to start the course, and it would have a quiz, and we submit the answer and it tracks it. And this would be all of Signal Next. Thank you.
So our Signal Next have bring out a lot of impact, such as like help advisors save time, follow up faster, and work more consistently. For business view, it improve the client retention, reference capture, and service recover. For management type, it support panel checking and milestone tracking to monitor progress clearly. Lastly, Signal Next is strong for track 1 because it's direct improve advisor productivity, client and service quantity, and business growth. It helps advisors save time, identify important client faster, and take clear next action. At the same time, it supports reference opportunity, panel checking, milestone tracking, and even giving management better vision of overall progress. In conclusion, Signal Next turns scratch client information into clear priority and meaningful action. As the slogan, it helps advisor from scratch client signal to the next best action. That is all of our presentation. Thank you for your time.